Hey, it's Nick, and I'm back for another Stitch Fix unboxing. I'll be honest though, like, I just had like a really big plate of Mexican food. There was a lot of beans, a lot of rice, and like 9 tacos. So I don't know if I can honestly judge how this stuff's gonna fit, but we'll see how it goes. So let's open this up, let's see what's in it, and see if it fits post-Mexican meal Nick. First shirt is a blue polo. I like the material and I wish it was gonna fit, but I know that I'm gonna hate this. It's that stretchy stuff that they send me every month and it's never good. It always shows everything, so it's gonna be especially bad today. So I got this really cool blue hoodie. It's a really thin hoodie, so it's not like an actual hoodie, but I love this color. I hope it fits and I hope it covers up my belly, but I don't think it's gonna. A button down, pretty cool. It's purple. It's like a lavender, but actually it's really soft. So it's not one of those uncomfy like button-ups that you get that are all like very stiff. This feels like it's really soft. Fall is on the way and they've already got ahead of it. So this is a nice V-neck sweater. There's probably an official term. Nope, just a V-neck sweater. Seems a bit long though, but I think this would actually probably look good with the purple button-up if the purple button-up fits. So let's try that together. That'll be fun. And the last thing is jeans that are gray. They say gray. They don't look gray, right? Does that look gray? Like a dark, but they're not blue, but they're not gray. So I don't know. It's a very cool color though. It's very not blue. So that's everything in the Stitch Fix box this month. Let's try it all on and see if it fits bloated Nick. I told you. We all knew how this was gonna go down. We knew this wasn't gonna fit. We knew that it was gonna be very clingy. The jeans, I didn't know, are pretty comfy. They're a little snug, but I don't think that's the tacos. I think that might be because they're a little snug. That's a shame. I really like the color of this. It's close. It's so close to fitting to where I'm comfortable. If I wore like a shirt or a jacket under it, maybe, just because it wouldn't show as much, but I'm gonna have to not wear this one, unfortunately. Damn it, I really like this one. Another letdown. Everything that could be wrong with this shirt is wrong with this shirt. The sleeves are too long. The gut is too tight. The shirt is too small. I know you guys are seeing way too much of me lately, but I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure I'm gaining weight. It's all the Mexican food. I eat it like every day. Here's the sweater on top. Altogether, this outfit looks really good if it fit on somebody that could wear this outfit. The jeans look good with the shirt and the sweater looks good with the shirt. The sweater's nice until you look at the length of everything. Again, the sleeves are too long and the bottom's too long. It's like a sweater dress. Unfortunately, I think most of this is gonna have to go back. Stitch Fix is off and on. They have one really good month and then they have one that's falling a little short of expectations. So if you use my link, you can get the $20 styling fee waived and you get to try on clothes and you get to have a little fashion show and you try it out. If you don't like anything, don't keep it, send it all back. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time in hopefully pre-taco. This post-taco thing. It's not working.